What's up guys, this is your boy Untitled over here, back with another video. And in this video we are gonna unbox a new microphone. I was told several times by my subscribers that I should get a new mic. That is why I kind of purchased this new mic, and this is from Maono. I think that's how it's pronounced. Maono portable USB microphone PM461, that's the model number here. And let's unbox this. It has a Cardoid Pattern and a professional sound chipset, high resolution sampling rate. We are going to look at that, everything there. And there is even a gain function there. So I'm going to check that out, and let's do an unboxing of this particular microphone. And here we have the tag. Let's open this up. Let's see the contents, and we are going to do some good testing as well with the gain pattern that is kind of even mentioned. So let's do the unboxing here. All right, so here we go. Let's look at the contents of the box. It's laid out flat. Here we go. Here we are. So there is what is this called? This is something. Happy subscribers, thanks for shopping. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's put the box aside. Let's look at the contents here. There's an user manual, something which we'll probably never read. Let's look at here. So this is basically the microphone. Let's take this microphone out. This is how it looks like, and this is the gain function I was talking about. So you can see like a gain control button here, and it feels pretty tacky, I would say. Like there's a good feedback, I would say. Like you can measure where it is going. This is medium, this is high. So there are three levels, I would say. And let's keep this aside and let's look at the other contents. So this is an USB mic, by the way. So it needs to connect to your PC, or possibly even with an OTG for mobile, which I probably need to test out later. But it would definitely connect with Windows and Mac. So you can see here, this is the connector, and we have a USB connection here at the end. So let's keep this aside. Let's look at the other contents of the box. So we have a couple of other contents, and this is the tripod. This is a tripod on which you can set the mic, and this is what I could say, like, you know, the adjustable stand. So we can definitely fix this adjustable stand here, and it would work pretty well. So it should be something like this, I believe. Yes, it's pretty easy to fix it up, I would say. So let me fix this up, and then we're going to test the audio quality that is kind of coming up with the noise gains as well, and rather the sound gain, the voice gain as well. So we're going to test that out. Let's head on to that part. All right, we are gonna test the mic out, and this is actually at the maximum gain. So this is at the maximum gain of the mic, and you can see the waveform that is down there. It's kind of, you know, fluctuating pretty high and even going into the red zone, although I have a clipper out there. And let's do a reduction of this. So this is at the medium level of the microphone, and this is how it would even sound like. And here I can see like it's not going into the red zone, but it sounds pretty loud, I believe. That should take place. And if I go down even further, I think it will even chop off the audio. So if I go down a bit further, you'll probably see the volume decreasing a lot in the waveform. And here I am speaking, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty less. So let's turn it back up to maximum, and this is how the audio would sound like. And this is where I'm kind of holding the microphone close to myself, and let's put it away a bit. Let's put it away, probably like a foot away. And here I'm putting it like a foot away, and it's not direct pattern that it's coming out. It's a Cardoid pattern. It's not omnidirectional, so it will not get from everywhere. So it should be directly into the mic rather, but it's still fine, like what from what I can see here in the waveform that I'm seeing in this particular section. So let's apply some filters and see how the sound changes. So I have usually default 4 filters, which is like, you know, like a pretty standard filters, I would say, like a noise suppression. I had it disabled, so let me just make it enabled. A noise gate as well, a compressor as well, a couple of compressors actually. So one for the lower threshold and one for the higher threshold. So with that being said, let's close this particular section here, and this is how the sound would sound like when I am talking with the filters on. So Let me know down in the comments below, guys, which you believe sounds better, with the filters on or without the filters on, with this particular microphone as well. But this is how the sound would even sound like with the maximum gain. And this is the minimum, like medium gain, I would say, medium gain. I was about to say game, or did I actually say game? But this is the medium gain out there, and this is how it would sound like. So I don't want to put it into the low because it would literally chop off and you guys will literally not be able to hear me at all. So with that being said, this concludes for this video about the unboxing and a quick review of the Maono microphone. And this retails in India for 1,899 rupees, which is 1,900 rupees, and which is roughly around $22 to $23. I would say this is a pretty cheap like microphone. I was about to say headphone again. Man, I'm bad. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. This is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already. I'm signing off. You guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.